Hi guys. Uh, you may have noticed that we haven't uploaded a video content for a while. It's mainly shorts and live. It's because I'm in a state of how should I put it? I don't know what to do. I'm trying to go through the list and find out, sort out what we can do for a video, what's fun to do. We want to do fun things and something we can learn from. It's hard to come up with ideas, especially when mostly it's me. And it's not nothing against my son. I love him. Why it's hard for him is because he has ADHD and autism. I understand that. But I really want your help. What can a father and son do for content on YouTube? That's fun, learning, new stuff. Like, we want to do something. We will upload one with some videos. We got a concert here in the 29th and 30th this month, tribute to rock. So we're going there and film some. So, but help, please. Comment anything you want to see us do with